I just came across some interesting data from Harvard Business Review on how people are using AI, and it made me realize as a professional, we're too focused on how we should be using AI and not asking enough about how our clients are using it. Let me show you what I mean. I found this graphic in the data and visual section of Harvard Business Review, and it's showing the shift of how people are using AI from 2024 to 2025. And you can see there's some key themes going on here. But what I found interesting was how these themes are classified. People are moving away from using AI for content and editing and creating data, and instead using it for personal and professional support, as you can see here. So, what this means is people are focused on using AI for therapy, organizing their lives, and finding purpose. The beauty of this is we as marketers can leverage this information to better connect with our clients. Let me break down 4 trends that I've identified from this data that could help you in your marketing in 2026. Trend number 1. We can see that there's a rise in the use of AI for therapy and companionship. Now, I'm not going to recommend that your lawyer start being a therapist. Instead, I'm going to say that potential clients are looking for a law firm that isn't just a fighter anymore. They're also looking for a listener. It's time to stop leading with the aggression and the winning kind of language and start leading with the messaging around counseling and partnership. Your marketing needs to communicate, I hear you, not just I fight and advocate for you. You need to be the human connecting your clients and prospects to you, the legal services, because let's be honest, the machine can answer a lot of questions now. AI is a pretty powerful tool. The thing that really builds relationships is human connection. The second trend we're seeing is a trend towards people using AI to organize their lives. My takeaway from this is that people are completely overwhelmed. They're using AI to create order from the chaos of their daily lives, and that includes their professional lives. So if your firm offers services in something like business formation, governance and regulatory compliance, employment and labor law, or corporate and contracting, your product and service is literally organization. So don't just sell the legal documents and legal services, sell the peace of mind that comes from getting your professional house in order. The third trend we're seeing that I think legal marketers can capitalize on is the end of using AI solely to replace Google. We're seeing AI now being used to consult on much more complex use cases. So it means you need to create content that really resonates and is insightful. You need to pivot and write towards the nuance, the strategy, tell them the stories that actually can help them understand how their situation is unique and that using an AI tool or a generic Harvey type tool isn't the best way to get the best counseling and the best advice on their particular legal issue. Tell them about the exceptions to the rules and why they should really work with a lawyer. The fourth and final trend we're seeing is people using AI to find purpose. This to me means that people are really focused on spending their money and their budgets on the services, companies, and firms that stand for something that are aligned to the things they value as well. To me, this means the law firms that have true differentiators that focus on more than just client service, that they are going to be the ones that win in 2026. We've seen that clients really like to work with firms that have a clear mission statement and clear value statements that align with their own. That means also those that are willing to, talk about those differentiators in times when they fall out of popularity, things like sustainability, DEI, and women's initiatives. So being true to those values as a law firm and marketing to them and talking about them regularly is going to allow for more success in 2026. Remember, clients aren't transactional, they're relationship focused. So meet them where they are and where they care. So that wraps up the trends I'm seeing from the AI data from Harvard Business Review. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Jessica Aries, a former lawyer turned digital marketing strategist and AI consultant for law firms. If you found this video helpful, you can follow me here for more content like this.